Hey guys, it's Jakey Crafty. You get a traditional voiceover layout today because this one is just kind of a bonus one. This was a layout I did for Confessions with Paper Addict live on International Scrapbooking Day. I thought it would be good to get it on my YouTube channel because I did do the work and just wanted to share it with you. So starting off, I did cut out a lot of stuff because there was a lot of just extra chatter because this layout in general did not take that long. I had backed my cut file. I'm using my How to Kill a Kit with Style, which I will have linked in a card here up in the screen in the corner. So you can see everything that's in it, but a lot of fun, colorful papers. The one on the bottom there is is it from Carefree? Oh wow, I don't remember. I think so. And then that one with the hexagons in it is Let's Get Crafty, Simple Stories, designed by Kelly Bangs. I love it. Lots of fun things. So since it was International Scrapbooking Day, Virginia at Confessions of a Paper Addict had 4 amazing free cut files for the weekend. This was just one of them. 4 of us did lives for the weekend and we each used a different one. So that was really fun. So I backed my cut file with papers from this 6x8 pad from Ellie's Studio that you see. Love the papers in there. A lot of the colors match some of the other papers in my How to Kill a Kit with Style. So I went ahead and backed that ahead of time. And now I'm just putting it on this beautiful rainbow brushed striped paper. Yeah, it might be, I think it is Heidi Swapp's Carefree. I can't remember for sure, but I want to say it is. And I'm going to just map my photo once on this pink grid paper, and then I'm going to rough it up. And then that hexagon paper is dying to be fussy cut. So I decided with this page, I don't do these a lot, but they're fun to do every once in a while. I think there's some people who do them all the time and they're really talented at them. I like color, but I usually don't do a rainbow of color. I just do lots of color, and my pages are usually chaotic. This one came together really well. But I want to do kind of some color blocking because I have these beautiful, bold, like painted stripes on this background paper. So I want to accentuate those colors by embellishing just with those colors in those areas. So I'm going ahead and cutting out some hexagons that's going to help match those colors, though I end up putting the hexagons more just on the right hand side of the page. And I really like that way that turns out. So then it's very right hand sided heavy, but with the black outlined cut file, I feel like it balances a lot because there's not a lot of black in anything else, but there's little touches. But since the cut file is big and bold and it's my title, it really balances the page out a bit, maybe. At least in my eyeballs it does. We'll have to see if you think the same thing. So I went ahead and cut out a bunch of hexagons, and I'm going to rough them up a little bit too with my distress tool and just start putting them on the right hand side of the page wherever I feel like it looks good. So tucking some behind the cut file so it looks like it is just a flow of hexagons over there, like they were never interrupted. And then after I get that done, I will go through the random embellishments I did get in this kit. So this kit originally started, my How to Kill a Kit with Style originally started, it was the kit for the month from Paper Issues, and I added just some things to it, but it comes with the ephemera, one of the ephemera packs. I think it's the tags and bits or something like that. I don't remember how Simple Stories calls them. They're little ephemera packs. There's usually 2 per collection, but there's all these fun little sewing things, and the photo is a picture of my son sitting on my lap helping me finish his baby blanket. He was almost 1 and I got it done. I had it mostly done up until he was born, but it didn't have it finished. And you can't wrap your kid in a blanket, and we got so many blankets for his baby, so it wasn't a big deal that I didn't have it done. But I really wanted it done by the time he was 1. So I did end up finishing it. And now, the sad part is I did all that work, and where's that blanket? It's folded up in a keepsake box. That's where it is. So I distressed all the edges of that, distressed my photo, and then going through and getting, like I said, some fun embellishments. There's a sticker sheet that I have from LA Studio they stuck in there that has some crafting related, DIY related phrases on it. So I have a sticker that says, I love to create, and then make pretty things, and love this place. I'm going to place those kind of around my photo-ish, and one up in a cluster between my letters. There's a pencil, and then in the ephemera pack from Simple Stories, there's a little threading tool. There's buttons. There's a sticker of a scissors. Yeah, that's on the sticker sheet. Oh, and a sticker that just says handmade. There's some florals in the ephemera pack. Yeah, lots of buttons. And a couple florals, not too many. I took those around. I put the one hexagon to the left of my photo, and it has this perfect little circle on there with it, and it says date, so I was able to write the date and just kind of what we're doing. Not a lot of journaling was needed. And then I have some other random ephemera packs in my kit that I want to use. So there's this one that says Let's Party. I thought it was kind of funny, but it's in that same yellowy color, so I'm going to put that banner over there. The banner up on the top says You're a Whole Lot of Lovely, and it's a perfect pink. That was, I believe, an Amy Tan collection that came from. And then also there's a ticket that I tucked on my left side of my photo that says Craft a Life You Love. So I didn't want a ton of dimension on my page. I don't need it necessarily, but I decided to add a little bit. So I did pop up the hexagon that I did the journaling and the date on, and I'm going to pop up both the banners and a couple of the buttons. But other than that, I just have to add all those little finishing pieces, and I really love the way it ends up. So make sure you go check out the shop and see the new releases for all the Cutfiles this month. That will be linked down below. Also, go check out the Facebook group. There is a challenge going on this month that's all month long, a mood board challenge. So make sure you go play along with that. That will be, it's very, very pretty. It's lots of darks, blues, and purples, which is a lot of fun. And I don't believe, no, the free Cutfiles are over, unfortunately. Sorry, it was just for International Scrapbooking Day, but I hope you're able to grab it if you were around to do that. So I have some close-ups for you coming up here, so you can see some of the details of all this beautiful work up close. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.